Hey, if you've been watching the market like I've been watching the market, you know that things have been all over the place, right? You can't short the market, you're getting beat up. You're trying to go long the market, you're getting beat up. But there's some real sweet spots in the market that all individual investors right now can be making a killing on. That's right. This commodity has been hitting all-time highs every day. Like every day. Like out of this world, y'all. And here's a great place for you to park some money in these volatile times. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trap, man. Before we get into this video, man, I want you to like, I want you to subscribe and share this video because we're going to talk about golden returns today. That's right, golden returns. Right now, listen, ETFs are going crazy. The gold has been hitting all-time highs. Literally the last few years, gold has actually been outperforming the market, which means a lot of great people been like, hey, let me just put some money in gold. Let me put some money in gold. Let me put some money in gold. And yo, right now, as of 2025, gold has been the best performing asset by far. Nothing has been close. Now, of course, you can buy physical gold, but I know a lot of y'all don't want to buy that. Y'all on this page because I try to help y'all navigate through the market. So what I want to do today is give you 3 gold ETFs. That's right, 3 gold ETFs. And we're going to break them down. We're going to get into them. We're going to talk about the performance. We're going to talk about who holds them. We're going to talk about why you need to invest in them and why this is a safe haven for you. So get your pen and your pad and let's go, y'all. All right, so first on the list is GLD. This is a SPDR ETF, right? So SPDR is a fund that you may know them, that they hold the SPY, the XLK, the XLF. That's SPDR. Well, they have a gold ETF, GLD. Now this ETF has a 0.4 expense ratio, which means it's really cheap. But let's look at some of the returns in 3 months, just meaning from January, February to now, this thing has returned 17%. In 1 year, meaning this time last year to now, this thing has returned 35%. And in 3 years, the annual return of this is 17%. Now that's not bad, right? When you think about, yep, this could be a good hedge. So a lot of people look for trap. Where can I hedge? Where can I make some money at? Where can I just see some return? Sometimes you just want to see a little green. You know what I'm saying? If I can see a little green, I'll be all right. Well, the GLD is a go-to for people looking to get into gold and trying to find a way out. The next one is GLDM, which is really similar to them, right? But this one has a 0.1% expense ratio. It has returned 16.95% over the last 3 months. It has returned 35.99% over the last 1 year, and it has returned 17.57% over the last 3 years. So GLD is good, but GLDM has performed a little better. So that means they may have a few little things inside of GLDM that may be a little different from GLD, but also the expense ratio is key. Now listen, when you buy ETFs, expense ratio is important because it's telling you how much money you're paying. So for this one, for every $10,000 at 0.1, you're paying $100 for every $10,000 invested. You can't beat that with a bat. For every $10,000, you're paying about $1,000 in fees. And that's because you're paying them to actually move things around in the ETF. You're paying them to actually do all the hard work for you, right? And so number 3 on the list is the IAU. Now, this one is owned by iShares, which is BlackRock, right? I actually like BlackRock a lot. So they have a 0.25% interest or covered interest ratio. They've returned 17.78% over the last 3 months. All are really good. Listen, your favorite stock isn't up 17.9%. It's probably negative 17 point something. Your favorite stock right now, right? 1 year, 35%, 35.81% in 3 months. In 1 year. And then watch this, in 3 years, 17.39%. The reason why that's good because you want to think over the last 3 year time span, you've seen a lot of your other big companies take off. So gold has just been a hedge. Well, right now, gold is being the thing that is paying the bills. Now, if I'm you, I'll be honest with you. If I'm you, I'm going to go either with the IAU or I'm going to go with the GLD simply because I like Spider and I like iShares. I like Spider, SPDR, and I like BlackRock because they just know how to navigate this market. Also, gold, when we think about this right now, gold gives you such an advantage over everybody else. Why? Because it becomes the safety. So what happens is when stocks are volatile, like they are right now with this administration in office, what a lot of people saying is, yo, I might don't want to go to bonds, but I'll go to gold as a safe haven. And so what happens is as they are scared and as they don't have no certainty, they go buy gold. Gold becomes the hedge in your portfolio. So if I'm you, here's what I would do in my portfolio, right? Here's what I would do in my portfolio. Let's say you have your big four that you really like. Or let's say you have your big five that you really like. So let's just say it's Apple. Let's say it's NVIDIA. Let's say it's CrowdStrike. Let's say it's, I don't know, Palantir. And let's say it's JP Morgan Chase. What I would do now is because of these probably at discounts, I'll buy some of them. But instead of going all in and buying these, I'll actually take a percentage of each one of that. So let's say you was going to put, I don't know, let's say you was going to buy, let's say you was going to spend $2,000 on all of these companies. What I would do is I would take at least $750 of that and I would buy GLD or IAU because what I can do is I can get a positive return from this right now. Watch this. While I'm getting into these, because we don't know how this is going to last, I'll get a positive return from this right here. And then what I'll do is at the end of the year or towards, as we see things turn around, I'll say, okay, let me take my profits from here and then put it here, right? Or I'll hold this for a year and a day, 1 year, because we got a circus in town right now, right? And so what I'll do is, yeah, we got a circus in town, man. It is what it is. It's just what it is. Whether you love the administration, whether you hate them, it's a circus in town right now. Anytime you start putting 150, 245% tariffs on stuff, this is a circus at this point, right? So our goal is not to even much look at the circus. Our goal is to do what? Just get great returns. So what I'll do is I'll put some money out of this, out of that 2,000, I'll take 750, I'll put it into this gold, one of them, and I'll let that just give me some returns. That way I'm getting some returns on my money instead of me keep trying to buy down, average down, average down, average down. You want to try to get you some returns. So you get some returns right here with this. And then what happens is as this grows to $1,000, $2,000, depending on how many shares you keep getting in it, then you start saying, hey, once the market gets better, you see the market's getting better and gold has slowed down, then you say, hey, let me transition, take them profits and put them in here. And that's how you take profits and turn profits into a position. So, man, let's go recap right quick, man. We're looking at these gold ETF, exchange traded funds. And we got GLD, GLDM, and IAU. These are 3 gold ETFs that you can get right now. So, it's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Let us know how you like this. Let us know in the chat how we can help you out a little bit more, man. Listen, and make sure you like, make sure you subscribe and share this, man. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper, man. Salute.